this one has this function, negative 2x minus 3, and we got to do all these things to the function. So let's do the first one. This one says that f of negative x. So pretty much f of negative x. When I write f of negative x, we look and see what it did to the original function. What we're doing is we're taking this x and we're replacing it with a negative x. So if that's what I did on this side, I have to do that with the other side. So anytime I see an x, I'm going to replace it with a negative x. Now don't forget the parentheses, otherwise it's going to be a whole different problem. So make sure you keep your parentheses. So this is going to be negative 2 times negative x is just 2x minus 3. And that is negative f of negative x. Now, negative f of x, if you notice, we didn't do anything to the x. The x's stay the same, but we're going to take the function and we're going to negate the entire function. So I negated this entire side, so we need to negate this entire side. So we're going to negate this entire function. Distribute the negative into it, so you get 2x plus 3. Now, on this one, we have f of 2x. So on this side, what we did was we replaced the x with a 2x, which then gives us negative 2, and anytime I see an x, I'm going to put a 2x. So this becomes negative 4x minus 3. And that is it. I mean, that one wasn't that bad. So now this one is the one that everybody struggles with. And the reason they want you to do this is in calculus, this becomes very, very, very big. So we want to get some practice with it right now. So we have f of x plus h. That looks like a b. Let's change that back to an h. So this is going to be negative 2. Now, every time I see an x, I'm going to replace it with x plus h. Minus 3. And distribute. Negative 2x minus 2h minus 3. And that actually is it right there. So my answers are right here, right here, here, and here. So f of negative x is 2x minus 3. Usually you need to rewrite your answer like this, just so we know what you're talking about.